D5 Render versus Unreal Engine 5. Which rendering software is better? So D5 Render is a real-time ray tracing rendering tool designed specifically for architects, interior designers, and 3D visualization professionals. It emphasizes simplicity, speed, and realistic results without requiring deep technical knowledge. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is user-friendly. It offers real-time ray tracing. It has a large asset library, which includes materials, models, and lighting presets. It also has a smooth workflow integration. It works seamlessly with SketchUp, Revit, and other 3D design software, and it's optimized for design presentations. The cons is though, it has a limited scope. It is less customizable, and there are some hardware requirements. Now, Unreal Engine 5, on the other hand, is Epic Games' cutting-edge game engine, known for its high-end rendering capabilities. While primarily a game engine, it's usually widely used in film, architecture, and virtual production for hyper-realistic visualization. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it has the next-gen graphics. It features the like of Lumen. It is also versatile. It is used for games, films, virtual production, and architectural visualization. It also has a huge ecosystem and free to use. It also has high scalability. Now let's talk about the cons though. It has a steeper learning curve, and it is overkill for simple visualization, and maybe too complex for quick architectural rendering. And it is performance heavy. It demands a strong hardware for smooth real-time rendering. So overall, choose D5 Render if you're an architect, designer, or visualization professional, and then choose Unreal Engine 5 if you need a powerful, versatile engine capable of not only rendering but also building interactive experiences, games, and cinematic quality interactive visuals.